Welcome to Chemex Wellness. Ride the way of wellness. Chemex Wellness introduces C-Max CW7000. It is the first ever bed in the Indian wellness industry with the latest German technology. C-Max Thermal Acupressure Bed provides multiple health benefits to different health conditions like sinusitis, arthritic pain, insomnia, hypertension, diabetes, gastrointestinal problems and back pain. C-Max CW7000 is the combination of holistic therapies with latest technologies which works on several principles like acupressure and acupuncture, deep tissue massage, chiropractic, negative ion therapy, far infrared rays and moxibustion, sound therapy. C-Max CW7000 is ergonomically designed according to normal curvature of spine, which is very much helpful in postural problems and corrects the spinal alignment and has other benefits like very easy to use and offers combination of multiple therapies without any side effects. It provides you full body therapeutic massage and acupressure through jade and Muyu rollers. The unique features are latest German technology that provides highly effective therapies, wider jade and Muyu rollers, 16 jade and 8 Muyu rollers to stimulate several acupressure points on and around the spine and legs. Insta Recline allows users to rest the upper mat at an angle of up to 45 degrees for maximum comfort and ease. 12-ball flexible jade projector to cover different areas of the body according to their shape. Brain Relax. Inbuilt music player with stereo headset. LCD remote control. Smart and user-friendly. Heated side panels which covers maximum part of the body. Leg rollers. 16 jade and 8 Muyu rollers to cover acupressure points on the calf and thighs. Bioceramic. Special auxiliary mat of bioceramic for healthy negative ion emission. Classic wooden frame. The frame built of metal and pressed wood provides durability and strength with an elegant look. C-Max Thermal Acupressure Bed gives you a choice of 6 different programs. Program 1 is 38 minutes of general mode, which is the combination of massage and moxibustion mode. Program 2 is 20 minutes of massage mode for quick relaxation. Program 3 is a combination of massage and moxibustion mode to get rid of stress from neck and shoulder areas within 20 minutes. Program 4 is a combination of massage and moxibustion mode to get rid of stress from lower back areas within 20 minutes. Program 5 is 20 minutes combination of massage and moxibustion mode for belly area. Program 6 is an oriental moxibustion mode of 40 minutes. It stimulates different acupressure points in the body, which further stimulates that referral organ and increases the blood circulation, which leads to effective and efficient function of that particular area. thermal acupressure bed is helpful in sinusitis, allergies, insomnia, migraine, hypertension, gastrointestinal problems, rheumatism, lower backache, arthritic pain, menstrual cramps, and diabetes. Chemex Wellness has achieved CE. The commendation of CE means that a manufactured product has conformed to the rules stipulated by the European Union in terms of product safety, health, environment, and consumer protection. Related regulations provided under the EU directives. ISO 9001-2008, which certifies that organization provides the global standardization of quality system set by the International Organization of Standardization to guarantee the quality of the product. ISO 14001-2004, which certifies that organization follows an effective environmental management system. RoHS, restriction of hazardous substance, which certifies that the product has adhered to the restrictions of using certain dangerous substances commonly used in electronics and electronic equipment like lead, cadmium, mercury, hexavalent, chromium, polybrominated biphenyls, and polybrominated diphenyl ethers. Chemex Wellness. Ride the way of wellness.